Question 3.4. This is the structure of the ear. You need to know exactly what is this. They are saying that the diagram below represents the part of the human ear with the middle ear infection. Middle ear infection. What is the A? You need to know pinna, auditory canal, tympanic membrane, the oscars, because there are three, semicircular canal, oval window, and then eustachian tube, which is filled up with the fluid. So that's why it is middle ear infection. Identify part B. We've seen it. We have seen it, which is auditory canal, and then part D, which is oscars, which are the three bones found in the ear. State the one function of A. This one is collect and direct sound waves to the auditory canal. It collects sound waves from different directions, and then does not only collect, it directs all of it which has come there. It's being directed to what? To the auditory canal. That's the meaning. And then saying that another question is explain how the middle ear infection could affect hearing. How is this middle ear infection affect hearing? Which is it means that there will be a problem with the part D, these oscars to move freely. So basically you can say that part D, or what called the oscars. The oscars will not vibrate freely because of the fluid which is inside there. Will not vibrate freely, and then this will cause the oval window not to receive enough vibration. So the oval window, because this one is not vibrating freely, the oval window will not receive enough vibration, and then there will be no pressure which is being built inside the cochlea. So if this one is not moving, then there won't be enough pressure which is built inside the cochlea. And then what happens? It means that there won't be enough impulse which is going to be sent to cerebrum for interpretation. Hence, this person will become deaf or hearing loss. Remember, deafness it can be partial deaf or complete deaf. So basically, we are just explaining the transmission of the sound in the negative way. There won't be enough movement of the oscars. There won't be enough pressure built in the movement of the of a window, and then there won't be enough pressure built into the cochlea, and less impulse or no impulse will be sent to the cerebrum for interpretation, and then this will cause the person to be deaf. And then another question, they're saying that name the small device which is being used to treat the middle ear infection. Remember, this device to be used is supposed to cut here, and then we suck all the fluid which is inside here. We suck it out, and after that we put that small device so that it is able to drain and make the middle ear to be dry. So we call them grommets. So we call them what? Grommets. This grommets is not supposed to have the E. Yeah, we call them what? Grommets. Remember, middle ear infection is being caused by a bacteria, so you can also apply antibiotics. But they didn't ask you that question. They only asked for the device. Then they're saying that, oh, I've skipped one question. Describe the role of eustachian tube. The role of eustachian tube, remember, eustachian tube connects to the mouth. So what is the function of the eustachian tube? The function of the eustachian tube, it is to equalize the pressure on the either side of the tympanic membrane. So this is the eustachian tube, which connects to the mouth, is to equalize the pressure on the either side of the tympanic membrane. Then lastly, but not the least, they're asking you to write the letter of the part which where the small device named above, which is the grommet. We say that these are grommets, which is where is it supposed to be? Where is it supposed to be inserted? is supposed to be inserted in the tympanic membrane. And then if you look at this, it is part C. And then lastly, describe how part E. What is part E? The semicircular canals. Whenever you talk about the semicircular canal, we are talking about balancing. So describe how part E is involved in maintaining balance when there is a change in the speed and direction. Whenever you talk about speed and direction, now you're talking about the cristae. Whenever you talk about this, cristae, which is called cristae. Remember, the other one is the maculae, which is the position of the head. So meaning that change in the speed and the direction of the head will stimulate the cristae found in the, where is cristae found? So cristae is found in the ampulla of the semicircular canal, yes, and then the impulse which is being received is converted, the stimulus which is being received is converted into enough impulse which moves along the auditory nerve to cerebellum for interpretation to restore balance. Or you can say that cristae are stimulated and then converts the stimuli into enough impulse which is sent to cerebellum, where an interpretation, and then this sends the impulse to the muscles, and then balance is being restored. Lastly, let me show you from our booklet, and then you see exactly what I'm trying to say. You see, here is the Saidi's model of balance, whereby he's saying that change in the speed and direction. You see, it is cristae found in the ampulla of the semicircular canal. The stimuli is converted into enough impulse, which is sent along the auditory nerve to cerebellum for interpretation to restore balance, meaning that sends back the muscles, and then balance is being obtained. So basically, that's what you're supposed to explain. So it means that you're looking for this route. So the paper really was also very easy, paper 1. I'll come back again to discuss other papers. Please don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and whenever we post, please try to watch so that you at least you upgrade your marks and then you get a distinction. Thank you very much. See you again.